Uranus Flushable Medicated Toilet Hemorrhoid Wipes. Maximum strength relief with witch hazel and herbal essences for cleansing, burning, itch, and irritation relief. There's 6 convenient individual packets, each containing 40 wipes, for a total count of 240 wipes. To use the flushable wipes, just open the outer resealable label, pull it out, scrunch or fold depending on your preference, and cleanse by gently wiping, patting, or blotting. They are infused with a gentle combination of emollient, soothing, hydrating, and cooling botanical extracts that don't affect beneficial skin flora. There are no questionable ingredients or formulas such as microplastics, animal byproducts, fragrance, nanomaterials, paraben, phthalates, triclosan, phenol, propylene glycol, or propylene paraben in them. The soothing, flushable, healing, medicated hemorrhoid wipes can calm itching, burning, and flare-ups while balancing the pH of your most sensitive areas. They are the great all-rounder for all around your great area. The clinically formulated hypoenergetic wipes calm irritation and provide a feeling of freshness and comfort.